on, y'all? I got a lot more Scat Pack content coming soon. The Scat 300 coming soon, but I know a lot of people clicked on this video for something else. So this is what to do if your Apple CarPlay is not working. It's most likely could be the USB thing, but 9 times out of 10 it's not that. It's the wiring that goes from the radio to here, and then the wire that goes to here. Very, very easy fix. If you have a Charger or a 300 or any Chrysler model, it should be on the passenger side under the next to the left leg of the passenger. So first things first, you want to do, take this off. Use a spoon, put it in there, pop the clips off. Be careful not to break some. If you do, don't worry, they're like $7 for like 40 on Amazon. So if you break a couple clips, don't even trip. Whew. Second thing you want to do, after you take this off and you have access to the screen, there's going to be a USB cord. It's going to be a USB cord that looks like this. So once you took this thing off, it's going to look like this. You can buy them. I'm going to shoot you guys the part numbers. I'm going to put them on the screen, or I might just tell you guys it. So the first one right here is going to go from here to the one back here. This was the old one. This was the one that didn't work. This was the, I think, the burnt one or the clipped one, because I think I cut it before, or the last guy cut it. Something happened, it doesn't work anymore, but I just left it here just because. And I ran this one from the bottom through there. You can actually still see it. I don't really mind it. I'm selling this car very soon, so as long as Apple CarPlay works, it's fine. First one's gonna go through here. The second one is gonna go from here all the way up to the radio, and you will not miss it. It looks just like this, plugged into the radio. Change the first one if you have to, and if that doesn't work, change the second one. These cables do not cost much. They're like $25 from the dealership or from eBay. Again, first one here goes to this thing right here. You won't miss it. Again, it's straight clip-on. It's gonna be on this side. So this side is gonna be on that side right there. Okay, not this one, not the big one, the small one right here. It's gonna look exactly like this. Switch that out first and plug it into here. If that works, great. And if it doesn't, you're gonna have to change out the second one. And after you change out the second one, it goes, plugs into the radio. It should be like right here on the radio, to the back of it. After that, you should be straight. Apple CarPlay should work. If this helped you, let me know. I'll throw the part numbers in the description, or I'll put it on the screen, one or the other. But I got you guys, because I had to learn this shit myself. The forums don't tell you this. The forums just tell you to go to the dealership and get cracked $250 for some bullshit. All right, you guys have a great day. Let me guys, and if you guys are interested in the Scat 300, this is it. It's all done now. It needs a wash, but I gotta go to school. I just have to show you guys this because I feel so bad for the people that just give up, dude. Apple CarPlay is huge, especially for people with long commutes like me. All right, boys, I'll see you guys.